Hey YouTube, I'm back, but I want to show you just another quick method how to also tighten your e-brake. So what was going on with my e-brake was no matter how high or how hard I would pull up, I would still roll. So I always had to put my car into first or just a gear plus put this up, pull my e-brake up. But I also wanted to show there's a 10 millimeter bolt, and sorry, I'm on a busy road and I just want to make sure you guys can hear, so I'm gonna sit in here the best I can. I do need to fix this. I need to get some adhesive to repair that and fix it, but just pulling that up really fast. So you got this bolt right here, 10 millimeter, and you can turn that and that tightens it as well. It's as easy as that. If that's all yours is doing is when you got your e-brake on and it's not stopping or you're still rolling back, try adjusting that 10 millimeter screw and see if that fixes it. So, you know, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So if you tighten it, it's going to tighten your e-brake. So anyways, if you find this video helpful, please leave a comment and push the subscribe button if you want more little tips and tricks. And anyways, if you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and more to come.